How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the fool's future. New opportunities, new beginnings, new projects, everything related to the future of the fool. So before we get started, please subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button. That'll keep you updated in all our future videos. Okay, so let's get started. The fool in the future position, meaning 0, is a symbol rather than a number, and it has an important symbolic significance. Philosophically and mathematically, it represents nothing as the numerator and everything as the denominator, the two infinite ends of the finite. Thus, it is a totally mystical symbol indicative of the degree of spiritual mysticism inherent but rarely developed in the individual. Alright, so the 0, the fool, stands outside the rest of the major cards, poised between the positive and the negative. At birth, he is in the middle of his own individual world. He is strangely empty, as is a 0, but imbued with a desire to go forth and learn. 0 stands for unlimited potentials. It does not have a specific place in the sequence of the tarot, either at the beginning or at the end. The Fool 0 is the card of new beginnings, fresh and spontaneous, and is ready to embrace all. Represents a person who is a pioneer, someone who is willing to take risks in order to advance or promote growth. Eager, optimistic, open-minded, and innocent. This person is searching for something meaningful in life. The Fool in the future position. Okay, this is what we're here for. This person is on the brink of change and taking a leap into the unknown and is at the crossroads in life, facing an opportunity and abandoning the old way of life, following his or her heart. Important decisions and changes will soon be coming their way, so they must let go of worry and doubt as things are going to work out in their favor. It can mean a new job, a new home, or a new romance, or a new project is about to take off. A new life decision will be made by taking a chance, and this person will be able to create new possibilities in his or her life. A journey that will be a rewarding experience and will contribute to their growth as human beings. And the change this card will bring will be a welcome one that inspires them to open up to new areas in their lives with a mixture of wonder, curiosity, and anticipation. All right, so that stands for the Fool. That's the future position of the Fool. In any reading, in any tarot deck, wherever the Fool's card falls in the future position. New opportunities, new beginnings, new projects, taking risks, fortune favors the bold. Okay, all right. So please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel. It's free. All right, okay. And also make sure you hit that notification button so that you can get updated with all our future videos. And leave comments, suggestions, or whatever you want. All right, until our next video, this is Sean from Mel's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.